Namaskar, my name is Paramveer Rana and today we are going to speak about different asanas. Why do we do asanas? Basically, asana is done for the outer body. When the body is stiff, or the blood circulation is slow, or any other joint pain, or any other, you have belly fat, or any other ailments or diseases which is in the body can be cured by practicing different kind of asanas. As we spoke in the previous video that pranayama is for the internal body, similarly asana is for the external body. Your body symmetry can also be done better. If your body is not in shape, it can be done better by practicing the different kind of asanas. There are different kind of asanas that one can practice, like the Kandarasana, which is, you have to uplift your body, and which, gives you a very good exercise of your shoulders. It also gives flexibility to your spine, and you also, maintain and create a balance in the body. We also have Kamar Chakrasana, which can be again done while we lie on the floor. We have to roll our legs on the right hand side and our body or face or the upper body on the left hand side. This is a very good asana in for the flexibility of your spine. It also cures many illnesses or diseases which is related to the belly or the stomach. It reduces the fat from the belly, and also people who are suffering from diabetes, they can also practice Kamar Chakrasana and they can control and cure the diabetes. Apart from Kamar Chakrasana, we can also practice Ardha Halasana, which is again a very good asana for people who want to reduce their belly fat. In this asana, we raise our legs up to 90 degrees while we lie down on the floor on our back. We also have to make sure while we practice any asana that the breathing pattern is correct. Normally, whenever we raise our legs, we inhale, and whenever we get back our legs on the ground or come down, we exhale out. Similarly, whenever in any asana you're lying on the floor and lifting your upper body, you have to exhale, and while you are getting your body back on the floor, we have to inhale. So the breathing pattern is very important while we practice any asana, and if one can take care of this, they can have the magical benefits, or they can get the different positive effects of different asanas. Apart from Ardha Halasana, one can also practice different asanas or ab exercises. You can do similarly when you do crunches in a gym. It reduces your fat. Similarly, as the asanas that we spoke about today will give you benefits and reduce your fat. We have asanas like Kamar Chakrasana, which gives a very good balance to the body. It is very good for your thigh muscles, leg muscles, and for the complete body. Any asana that we are doing while we lie down on the floor is very useful for curing diseases or ailments which is related to our stomach, because there is a lot of stress on your stomach while we do the asanas, while we lie down. So people who are suffering from diseases like kidney stones or diabetes, or any intestine related diseases, that can be cured by practicing any asanas while we lie down on our back. Apart from that, there are different postures in which we can sit down, stand, lie down on our back, and lie down on our stomach and practice various asanas. If I talk about sitting postures, there is a very good asana which is the Mandukasana, which cures diabetes and also reduces the belly fat. Then we also have Mastendrasana, We also have different asanas and stretching exercise one can practice while sitting in that position. You can also do the chakrasana. And similarly, there are many asanas that you can do while lying on your back, your stomach, and while we stand, like the Tadasana or the tree pose. So we will be speaking more about these asanas in detail, individually, in other videos. And if you want any more information, you can click on the related website and you can get the information about it. So for example, if you're looking for any diabetes related asana, just click on it and you will get the information on that particular asana. So thank you so much for watching this video and have a happy, healthy life. Namaskar.